Yeah, there are the doves again. Yeah, I'm trying to. Um, I have found out a way to bring this webcam in. Oops. Oops. Uh-oh, I just hit the window. I don't want to scare them. There. Well, that's as far as that my Zoom is gonna go in. Aren't they so cute? Oh wow! There's a third dove there now. Wow. Where did he go? Wait a minute, he's coming around. I'm trying to find him for you. Okay, there's one. There's two. And there's three. See him? Wow. Now, before that, there was only two. But I guess that word's getting around that there's free food. Oh, wow. And then there's a fourth one. He's there somewhere. Yeah, see him right there? He's right over there. See, so there's one. There's another one. 2, 3, 4. Wow. Well, I'm gonna let them eat there. Then I don't want to scare them because if I hit the window or something, I might scare them. You know what? If I accidentally hit it with the webcam, I might scare them, and I don't want to do that. Okay, well, hope that you guys enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.